Hello students, a pleasant morning to everyone. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all on the beginning of this new academic year. Let me first congratulate to everyone have been promoted to class 6. Welcome to class 6 children. Children, as we all know that beginning of something new is always amazing. Yes, today onwards we are going to interact through online class. I know you're all eagerly waiting for it. Let's start our first online class in mathematics. Children, maths is all round us. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Let's start our first chapter, numbers. What are the objectives in this chapter? Shall we see now? Yes. Introduction about successor and predecessor, formation of large numbers, place value chart of Indian system, expanded form, place value chart of international system. Children, what do you mean by numbers? A numbers is a mathematical object is used to count, measure and label. In your lower classes, you have studied the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Your numbers are used in this operation and you have studied various types of numbers also. What are the numbers you know, children? Natural numbers, whole numbers, odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers and composite number. What do you mean by natural numbers, children? A number starts with 1, 2, 3, it goes on. So those numbers are called natural numbers. And what do you mean by whole number? A number starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, it goes on. Those numbers are called whole numbers. The remaining things you just recall it. Okay? Next we are going to see about successor and predecessor. What do you mean by successor, children? When one is added to a number, we get its next number. That next number is called successor. See the example which is given below. Take the number 189. When 189, it's add plus 1, you will get 190. So the successor of 189 is 190. Then what do you mean by predecessor? When 1 is subtracted from a given number, we get its previous number. That previous number is called predecessor. You can take the same example too. See, you can subtract 189 with minus 1, you will get 188. So 188 is a predecessor of 189. Children, I have given 4 examples. Just go through it. Okay? Next thing is how to form large numbers. In class 5, you have studied up to smallest number, 6-digit number, that is lakh. In class 6, we are going to study up to crore. Okay, shall we see this table now? Yes. What is the greatest 1-digit number, children? 9. When 9 is added plus 1, you will get smallest 2-digit number, that is 10. When 99 is added plus 1, you will get smallest 3-digit number, that is 100. When 999 is added plus 1, you will get smallest 4-digit number, that is 1000. When greatest 4-digit number is added plus 1, you will get smallest 5-digit number, that is 10,000. When greatest 5-digit number added plus 1, you will get smallest 6-digit number, that is lakh. What is the greatest 5-digit number, children? 99,999. When you add plus 1 to this number, you will get smallest 6-digit number, that is lakh. So 1 lakh is getting how many zeros, children? 5 zeros. See, the next thing is greatest 6-digit number. If you add plus 1, you will get smallest 7-digit number, that is 10 lakh. When greatest 7-digit number is added plus 1, we will get smallest 8-digit number, that is crore. So what is the smallest 8-digit number, children? Crore. Children, this table is very important. Just go through it. Okay. The next thing is place value chart. This place value system, it consists of two things. One is Indian place value chart system. Another one is international place value chart system. First, we are going to see Indian place value chart system. See this table, children. It consists of two things. That first thing is periods. Another thing is place values. This Indian place value chart consists of 4 periods. What are the 4 periods? Say along with me. Ones period, thousand period, lakhs period and crores period. Each period, it has 3 and 2 things. The first period is ones period. It has divided into 3 things, that is ones, tens, hundreds. So this ones, tens, hundred is belongs to ones period, that is your pink color box. Next thing has 2 things only, that is 1,000 and 10,000, that is your yellow color box, it belongs to 1,000 period. Then lakh, 10 lakh, it belongs to lakhs period. Then crore and 10 crore, it belongs to crores period. Children, note down it. Except this ones period, all the periods as 2 place values only. So, how to put comma for this number? Based on the periods, we have to separate the number by using commas. See the example which is given below. 52105 and 747 is an example how I have written in a Indian system. See, 747 it is belongs to ones period, then 05 it is belongs to 1000 period, so I have put comma after 5. Then 21 is belongs to lakhs period, so after the end of 1 I have put comma. Then 5 it is belongs to crores period, here no 10 crore value. So how to read this number, children? 5 crore 21 lakhs 5,747. So this is very important, children. If you understand this table only, you can able to write down the place values in Indian system as well as the number name in Indian system. I hope you have definitely understand this table. Is it clear? Yes. Shall we move on to next thing? Children, this international system, I will explain you in the next session. Now, based on this Indian system, we are going to see one example. How many thousands are there in 1 lakh? I told you before itself, 1 lakh is getting how many zeros, children? 5 zeros. So now we are going to find out how many thousands in 1 lakh. So how to do this problem? 1 lakh is divided by 1000 is equal to, you have to write down the respective values. In the 1000 how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So in the 1 lakh also you have to cancel 3 zeros. So what is the remaining number, children? 100. So how many thousands are there in a 1 lakh? 100 100,000. Based on this method, you will have a problem in the exercise also. In that problem, we will see later. Okay. Next thing is expanded form. What do you mean by expanded form, or what is an expanded form? First, we have to write the place values of the given digit number. See the example I have given here. 4,53,169. How I have expanded this now? See here. This 9 is belongs to 1's period, 6 is belongs to 10's period, and 3 is belongs to 1000 period, and 5 is belongs to 10,000, and 4 is belongs to lakhs period. So this 9 is belongs to 1's period, so I have multiplied 9 into 1. 6 belongs to 10's period, so 6 into 10, 60. 1 belongs to 100, so 1 into 100, 100. Then 3 belongs to 1000. So 3 into 1000, 3000. Then 5 is belongs to 10,000. So 5 into 10,000, 50,000. Then 4 is belongs to lakh period. So we will get 4 lakh. First you have to write down the place values for a given number. Then after find out the place values, we have to write down the expanded form like this according to its place values. 4 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1000 plus 1 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 9 into 1. How to read this number now? Children, you just read along with me. 4,53,169. Then what is a standard form, children? It is nothing but your given number is called standard form. When this standard form, you have to make it into a expanded form, and after expanded this, you have to write down the number name. Is it clear, children? Yes. Children, today's session is over. This is the exercise problem. I have given 3 problems. The first thing is fill-ups. Second one, you have to write down the order. Belongs to a Indian place value system. Then we have seen one example, no? Based on this, you have to do this problem. How many 10,000 are there in a smallest 6-digit number? Is it clear, children? The remaining things we will discuss in next session. I hope you have really enjoyed this session. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.